Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going through a car wash. Guys, we're getting ready to go into the car wash.
6.5%. 6.5% of the population commit about half the homicides. And you say, well, how do you know?
Alright, so basically, there it is, car wash. Alright, we're going to go into it. Are the windows up?
Oh, hold on. Take this one up.
Welcome to our car wash. Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons. Touch enter when finished.
Okay, guys, we're here.
The code you entered is invalid. Please check your code and try again. Please select one of the following options. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Alright. Okay. There we go, guys. Gonna start to get the foam on us, or whatever. Alright. That window's all foamy now. It's so dark in here. Alright, go in there.
Got this music on.
No, it's fine. Can't see anything out. At all. Nothing. It's so dark. Dude. Wow. It's just foam. If you're wondering, it's just really foamy. Okay, sounds happening. Okay. Pink foam stuff is going on. spaceship part. So that was the Aisle 1 car wash. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.